Today we'll demonstrate how to easily install our rugged window barriers. To meet your department's specific needs, Gamber-Johnson offers several window barrier options for the top public safety fleet vehicles. Our poly window guards and steel window bars provide vehicle protection while maintaining visibility and airflow. To begin, open the vehicle door and match up the window guards with the door frame. Then, using the provided hardware, mount the guard to the door frame. Repeat for each side. For a lighted solution, our universal light mount brackets attach easily to the provided holes on the window barriers. To learn more about the solutions in this video or to explore our full product offering, visit our website at Gamber-Johnson.com.